Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. Before we begin our today's class, let us recall what we have learned earlier. In this blog, we learnt about the different feathers of birds, the types of feathers. Then we learnt about the beaks of birds, the types of beaks that the birds have and how they are useful for the birds. Then we learnt about the feet and claws of birds, how these feet and claws help the bird. Today we are going to learn about nests of birds. Dear students, what do you see here? We see that the bird made a nest in the tree trunk. You can see the baby birds there, right? Let's move ahead and learn more about nests of birds. We already know that the birds make nests. Yes, we all of us know, no? Birds make nests. Today we will learn what types of nests different birds make and how nests are important to birds. Okay, today we are going to learn what are the different types of nests that the birds make and how these nests are important for the birds, right? So the keyword that we are learning today is mound. M-O-U-N-D, mound. Mound means a large pile or heap. Now let us look at this picture. This is a chart, right? In chart we have different things here. So look at the pictures and read the name. First picture, straw grass. Okay, that is dried grass. Straw grass. S-T-R-A-W, straw. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Straw grass. Second picture, leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Third picture, ribbons. R-I-B-B-O-N-S, ribbons. Fourth picture, twigs. T-W-I-G-S, twigs. Next picture, cotton balls. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton. B-A-L-L-S, cotton balls. Next, pencils. P-E-N-C-I-L-S, pencils. Next, steel nails. S-T-E-E-L, steel. N-A-I-L-S, nails. Then, knives and forks. Knives and forks. K-N-I-V-E-S, knives, and F-O-R-K-S, forks. Now remember all of these pictures, things in the pictures, Nana. Straw grass, leaves, ribbons, twigs, cotton balls, pencils, steel nails, knives and forks. Let's move ahead. What do you see here? This is a big cardboard box, right? Here, newspapers, right? Just a minute. Let us watch this video. What can we use to make a bird's nest? So many things are there. Leaves, twigs, straw, cotton balls. But we should not take sharp things like nails, forks and pencils. Birds make nests to protect their eggs from predators. Predators means the birds that kill the other animals which eat away the eggs or kill them. Let's watch the video once again. which items will you select to make a nest? Okay, we select the light and soft ones. We won't select sharp nails or knives or pencils. Birds make nests to lay eggs and to protect themselves, right? What did you choose from the boxes to make a bird's nest at home and why? We chose the leaves, the straw, the twigs, the cotton ball, the ribbon to make nests at home. Let's read the first point. We chose twigs, grass, cotton, thin wire, ribbon, cardboard, and straws to make nests at home. Most of these things are soft and will not hurt the bird. Cotton and grass will make the nest warm. We didn't pick nails, sharp pencils, and knives or forks as those may hurt the bird. Okay, we picked up only the soft ones, okay, where our birds can be comfortable. We did not pick the sharp things like nails, pencils, and knives. Okay, it will hurt the bird. Why do birds make nests and why do different birds use different materials? Okay, why do birds make nests? Why do different birds use different materials to make nests? Okay, right. Birds make nests to lay eggs. Okay, birds make nests to lay eggs. Rest in, they want to take rest in that. They lay eggs, they'll take rest in the nest and to protect their babies. Birds make different types of nests depending on where they live and the type of materials they can find there. Okay, first thing, why do birds make nests? Okay, 3 reasons. Can you tell me? To lay eggs, to take rest. Okay, they'll rest in the nest and to protect their babies. Why should birds protect their babies? Okay, some other animal might come, a hawk or eagle might come and grab the young baby and kill it. So that is the reason birds don't lay eggs in open space. Birds make nests to lay eggs in the nest, to take rest inside the nest and to protect their babies. Second point, birds make different types of nests depending on where they live and the type of materials they can find there. So what kind of material are found around? Okay, in that region they select and they make such type of nests. For example, most birds live in forests or grasslands, so they make nests with grass and twigs. Okay, most birds live in forests or grasslands, so they make their nests with grass or twigs. Okay, what are twigs? Twigs are very small branches, okay, very thin. Birds like penguins live in very cold places where there are hardly any plants, so they make nests with stones. What will happen if birds do not make nests? Nests protect the birds' eggs from predators or from bad weather. Okay, nests will protect the birds' eggs from predators. Can you name some predators? Predators means the animals that kill other animals. So, in order to protect the eggs and young birds, birds make nests. Some of the predators for birds' eggs or young birds are snakes, eagle, hawk and other animals. So in order to protect the eggs from predators or even bad weather means it might rain heavily or it might be very hot. So in order to protect the eggs, so they make nests. Second point, if birds lay their eggs in the open, predators may eat the eggs or the newly hatched chicks. This is right now, children. This is why we see the nests on the tree tops, on the trees, so that most of the animals can't reach them, okay, in order to protect them, okay. If they lay the eggs in open, predators may eat the eggs or the newly hatched chicks. The eggs may also break in bad weather or if the environment is not friendly. Okay, if it is bad weather, the eggs may break. Now, let us open our worksheet to 3.4. All of you open your workbook to 3.4 to this page. Put today's date. Nests of birds. Question 1. Circle the materials which birds can use to make their nests. So, in this help box there are different materials. You have to circle those with which birds can make their nests. Okay? Grass, plastic, mud, stones, fork, steel blocks, branches. I repeat, grass, plastic, mud, stones, fork, steel blocks, branches. So, among all of these you are going to circle those material which the bird uses to make nest. Okay. All of you remember birds use a little soft material like twigs, straw, dry grass, ribbons, right, cotton, such kind of material. So, among this you circle those material. Second question, draw the nest of any bird. You have to draw a nice picture of a nest. Then question B, what materials can be used to make the nest that you drew? So, after drawing you should write what materials can be used in your picture. The picture which you have drawn, the nest of a bird, what are the materials in that nest? Question C, why do birds make nests? Okay, we learnt now the 3 reasons. Birds make nests to lay eggs, to rest in and protect the birds, right? Next, question 3, what would happen if a sparrow lays its eggs on the ground instead of making a nest in a tree? A sparrow is a small bird, right? So, it makes a nest on the tree top and lays eggs there. But what would happen if the sparrow lays the eggs on the street or on the road or on the ground? What happens? Instead of making a nest in tree, okay, what happens? Some other predator might eat the egg away or the egg might break off, right? That is the reason sparrows make nests on the tree, right? So, if sparrow lays its eggs on the ground, the eggs might break, right? Answer the practice questions in your notebook. Okay, in your content book you have these questions. Most birds living in forests use twigs to make a nest. Okay, I repeat, most birds living in forests use twigs to make a nest. Write any 2 other materials that they can use. Okay, they are telling you that most of the birds make their nest with the twigs. Can you name any other 2 materials with which the birds make nest? Can you name? Okay, you can write leaves and straw. Second one, fill in the blanks. Birds make nests to provide them with shelter or food. Which one? Shelter. Okay, shelter. What is shelter? We learned now in earlier classes. protection from rain, sun and heat. So birds make nest to provide them with shelter. B. Nests help to dash the chicks. Protect the chicks or teach the chicks. It is protect, Protect, protect. Third one, a pigeon sometimes lays eggs without making a proper nest. A pigeon sometimes lays eggs without making a proper nest. Pigeon is a bird, you all know. Write 2 things that can happen to its eggs. If the pigeon doesn't build a proper nest and it lays the eggs, what will happen to the eggs? The eggs might break because of the bad weather, or some predators might come and eat away the eggs, right? So we have learnt about the nests, we have learnt about the material that is used for nest, we watched the video, we learnt the keyword mount, we have done the worksheet, and we also discussed the questions, practice questions in content book. That's all for today. Have a good day, children.